Content-based filtering model uses only information about the description and the attributes of the items which users have previously consumed, right? So this particular set of algorithms, they try to recommend items which are similar to those that a user liked in the past. So based on the description of the items, based on whatever the content there is for a particular item, we'll use that information and make recommendations to a particular user, right? So so content-based filtering approach. So this is robust to avoid the cold start problem, as I mentioned earlier. So here, uh, if a particular user has interacted with uh, or consumed a certain set of items in the history, right? So we'll use that information. We'll use their uh, description of the items to make predictions or make recommendations for that particular user. So here we'll use a very popular technique which is used in information retrieval, which we call as TFIDF technique. So TF stands for term frequency and IDF stands for inverse document frequency. So we'll see what these things are and how we can use this to implement our content based filtering model, right? So because content based is it uses the description or the description of the items which a particular user has interacted in past, right? So we are dealing with a lot of unstructured data. So by unstructured, that means we'll be dealing with words there, right? So our objective here will be to create a vector embedding uh, of a particular word, right? So for example, we had a list of words, right, across all our description of the all items. So what we'll do, we'll try to represent each word as a position in a particular vector space. So this will be a high dimensional vector space, and the value of this vector will measure how relevant a particular word given word is for an article.